In our last bootcamp video, this is the process where the scopist has now delivered the scoped job back to the court reporter by any means they decide they want to, whether that's via email or some sort of cloud drive that gives you a lot of room. So here's the last part of it. I'm going to go into Archive and Retrieval Wizard. I need to restore my files. Click Next. I'm using the Browse button up here to go to where my remote editing file is. That's where I've chosen to save it from my email or my drive. And then we're going to say Finish. We'll say Yes to all. And we're going to say No to another operation and go and verify. Okay, let's open it. And there's the job with all its lovely bits. So that's all there is to certify. Good luck.